There are many ways to get around in this world, from a wheelchair made to go off-road to e-bikes and scooters. But the most useful and sometimes most needed are personal transports. Getting yourself around town is always better than relying on mass transportation or someone else. I'm Glenn, and today we are bringing you 15 standout personal transports that are ahead of the pack.
Number 15.
The Rig by Not a Wheelchair is an option to wheelchairs that lets users with disabilities go off-road. The four-wheeled wheelchair is fully electric and customized to the user's desires, including range, wheels, and frame color. Built with an aluminum frame, off-road bike tires, and a detachable bumper, the Rig includes a rear frame mounting system to hold coolers, camping gear, or wheelchairs.
Number 14.
Manufactured by Rogue 10, the Ripper ATV is a combination of a golf cart and a quad vehicle. Easily transported by RV, SUV, or pickup truck, the Ripper is small compared to a regular quad and powered by a 163cc Honda GX160 engine. Employing a suitably high set of handlebars that fold down for transport, it doesn't come with a seat. Instead, users stand up while riding it. Some of its other highlights include a wrist strap kill switch that turns off the motor, independent front suspension with adjustable shocks, and cargo racks.
Number 13.
A three-wheeled folding e-scooter called the Gremlin is EV4's 7th electric ride in its sales brochure. The three-wheeled scooter features a tilting mechanism in the front for leaning into curves and is intended to fold down so it can fit in the trunk of a car. Positioned on a rack behind the seat are three 12-volt gel batteries that power the electric scooter. Constructed using aluminum, they come in bright color options with a slim rear wheel and two thick tires in the front.
Number 12.
An inflatable e-bike, Poimo, fits inside a small backpack when not being ridden. This prototype seems to need an external air compressor to pump it up to a pressure that can bear a rider's weight. At this stage, it appears that the handlebars and wheels detach with a wireless controller unit. It still comes with a lot of unanswered questions though, like what size battery will it use? How long it takes to stow in the backpack, and how long would it take to assemble and inflate?
Number 11.
In a rendering, Lithuanian startup AKO Trike has unveiled its next electric three-wheeler prototype. A futuristic shell is expected to enclose driver and passenger, and the electric reverse trike offers all-around visibility and protection from the elements. The passenger sits behind the driver, and there will be 4-point seat belts, room for luggage, and front and side airbags. At lower speeds, it can be steered like a regular automobile. The trike leans into corners at higher velocities at up to 30 degrees with the patented mechanical tilting mechanism.
Number 10.
A crossbreed dirt bike scooter. The Kuberg Ranger is said to be the first of its kind. Low-weight construction, a robust, long-range electric battery, and a pneumatic seat make this an enjoyable ride. The Ranger's sturdy construction moves the center of gravity low for more reliable stability on any terrain. This range of movement enables the rider to stand or jump in complete comfort. Large front and back fenders and an optional light kit on the front and rear of the scooter complete the design.
Number 9.
With 3- and 4-wheel options being offered, the Dragonfly Hyperscooter takes the traditional electric scooter into uncharted territory. Both models are made from a combination of CF-reinforced paulownia wood, aluminum, and carbon fiber. Dual front motors deliver 1,800 watts to each wheel, with the 4-wheel option providing an option for off-road tires, improved turn radius, and a more expansive deck. They feature security measures including geofencing, GPS tracking, and an automatic alarm. LED head and tail lights, Bluetooth with onboard speakers, and a 4K display are also included.
Number 8.
An innovative idea bridging the gap between an ATV and an electric wheelchair, the HexHog all-terrain wheelchair gives you the stability and off-road performance of an ATV. Providing tons of flexibility on harsh terrain, this 6-wheel drive wheelchair is powered by a lithium-ion battery and 2 sealed pancake motors. The throttle operation and the raising and lowering of the seat are controlled by a joystick, making it easy to operate in mud, water, sand, or snow.
Number 7.
Segway just announced their latest self-balancing vehicle, the S-Pod, inspired by the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. It is created to be used in confined areas like malls, theme parks, and airports, while using an automatic assistive navigating panel to operate. The seating gives wide-angle views. The S-Pod spins and rotates evenly for directional changes while moving at a decent speed. The pod won't tip over since the brake is initiated by the shift in the center of gravity.
Number 6.
You can save time, money, and increase your company's productivity with the Segway i2SE personal transporter. Segway lean steer technology provides more agile riding. Just lean them in the direction you want to go. A broad-based platform gives the rider optimal comfort with plenty of room on both sides of the lean steer stem. Comfort mats are available for an even more enjoyable ride. With the mount accessories, smartphone, tablet holders, hard cases, cargo plates, and handlebar bags, you can carry anything you require.
Number 5.
We showed you the 2-wheeled electric JackRabbit in one of our videos a couple of years ago. Created by Tom Pitskin, the original JackRabbit had a rear hub motor and fold-down fork-mounted foot pegs instead of pedals and a chain. Now, the new JackRabbit 2.0 has been announced, and it has a few upgrades. It is still light with the same length, but now comes with higher wheels, with the rear ones being thicker for better grip. For a more traditional riding position, the folding footrests have been moved to the bottom of the frame's seat tube and away from the front fork. A 336-watt rear hub motor linked to a removable Tesla Panasonic 4.4 amp-hour battery on a 6061 aluminum monocoque frame provides power to the latest version. Other features include a single rear mechanical disc brake, handlebars that fold sideways for convenient storage, and a gel saddle. The JackRabbit 2.0 is currently a Kickstarter campaign.
Number 4.
Giving mobility-challenged people the capability to go anyplace, the Action Trackchair uses tracks instead of wheels to help move on any terrain. While moving over uneven terrain in hills or even snow, mud, dirt, and rocky areas, users can stay level thanks to an electric tilt mechanism. Various models can accommodate different users, with features like adjustable footrests, swing-up arms, accessories, and many different color combinations.
Number 3.
A reinterpretation of the original Vespa by Enrico Piaggio, the Vespa 98 Electric is designed by Mighty Seed. With a retro feel, the new design offers a more impressive look, including a full front with a chic handle. The front mudguard houses the LED headlight and has no rear-view mirrors. It uses a LiDAR system in the rear to notify the rider instead. Powered by a 30 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the scooter also includes a huge storage area for long trips.
Number 2.
Produced by Swedish bike maker Cake, the Osa is an electric utility bike constructed on an aluminum frame. The bike has a modular design and uses a clamp system to accommodate plenty of attachments, everything from headlights to baskets to a mobile workbench. Every bike created has wheels designed in-house with 2 different power options. Offering an extended range, the higher-priced Osa Plus can be recharged in about 3 hours.
Number 1.
Using the Volkswagen Beetle's fenders, turn signals, and headlights, the Bugkart Wasowski by Aldecott Studio modifies them into a cart that resembles the car's unique round shape. A rounded high handlebar serves as the steering system, while the chrome side mirrors add to the timeless look. The green fenders contrast with the red cart frame, adding appeal as well.